Hello and Namaste. Welcome to our today's product training session. Our today's session is on Atomy Absolute 24K Gold Night Mask. Gold is a very precious metal. It is also considered auspicious in many occasions. Gold is not only used to make jewelries, but gold dust is also known to possess various health benefits, such as it has antibacterial effect. Therefore, it is used in our Atomy toothbrush for antibacterial effects on gums. Along with this, gold dust is also known to possess the anti-aging properties, because of which gold dust is used in many skincare treatments. From ancient times, this gold dust is known for its beauty secrets. Therefore, many queens and emperors use this gold dust in their daily skincare routine. The gold dust not only gives the beauty secrets, but because of its anti-aging effect, it gives the flawless, glowing, luminous skin. Because of so many benefits of gold dust, we are introducing Atomy Absolute 24K Gold Night Mask with real gold particles along with absolute selective all-might gold, which gives your skin a strength as well as smooth texture along with the radiant skin tone. The real gold particles in 24K Gold Night Mask gives your skin the flawless skin texture. Along with this, it has many different kind of ingredients which are known to boost the skin radiance as well as give your skin the strength it needs. It contains saffron water, which is known for skin radiating effect, as well as the winter cherry root extract, which is known to heal the skin, along with the absolute cell active all-might gold, which possess the complex anti-aging properties. Along with this, they also observed that the skin gained the elasticity and had an lifting effect. The product is very smooth and gets easily spread, giving it a circular motion massaging effect, because of which the wrinkles of the skin improved as well as the fine lines. So these benefits of the Gold Night Mask was because of its visualizing bank network system, which is a technology which delivers high moisturizing effect on your skin without any stickiness. It forms a breathable moisturizing film over your skin, which is easily to massage in the circular motion. This gives your hydrating skin the all night long when you apply it. Along with this, the saffron extract has many active ingredients which gets easily penetrate on your skin, giving it a radiant and smooth texture. Not only this, but as you move out throughout the day, what happens? This environment and the pollution in the environment damages your skin. Even the sun rays damages your skin on the daily basis. So your skin needs healing from such damages. So the winter cherry root extract in 24K Gold Night Mask has healing effect on your skin. The winter cherry root extract aligns with the natural healing ability of your skin. That is, the all day long your skin get tired and get dulls. That's why it needs proper healing during the night. And your skin's natural ability to heal only happens when it gets the proper nutrition. And the winter cherry root extract help your skin's natural ability to heal when you sleep. Along with this, the absolute cell active all-might gold has many anti-aging benefits. It gives your skin the nutrition it needs to grow in a healthy manner. So along with all these ingredients together, the most important ingredient of 24K Gold Night Mask is the gold dust, which gets easily penetrated on your skin and giving it the elasticity it needs, and also aiding the benefits of various other ingredients leading to the moisturized skin. And if the skin is highly moisturized, it's smooth and it looks young and radiant. So not only these benefits your skin gets, but also especially when you sleep, these all ingredients help in healing your skin. So now let us see how to use the 24K Gold Night Mask. Well, it's very easy. First of all, clean your face using the cleanser. After that, prepare your skin with a toner. And then just take the 24K Gold Night Mask on your fingertips and apply all over your face and neck in the circular motion. And after this, just have a good night's sleep. The product works on your skin all night long, giving you a radiant and youthful skin in the morning. And when you wake up, just wash your face with the water to remove the product. And you will see your skin is highly moisturized and radiating in the morning. Not only this, but if you follow a daily skincare regime, you can easily incorporate the night mask in your daily routine. Especially the people who follow the K-beauty regime, it is known that night mask is an essential part of their skincare routine. And doing so is also very easy. For that, just clean your face using the evening care set, and after that, just nourish and tone your face using the Fame set or the Absolute set, or even you can use the Reset Balm, depending upon the requirement of your skin. Just choose the product and apply step by step as mentioned on the product. After that, as a last step, use the Atomy 24K Gold Night Mask onto your face and neck, applying in a circular motion and leave it to get absorbed. Then just have your beauty sleep. Well, it is known as beauty sleep because your skin heals when you sleep. And therefore, all these products give your skin the nutrition which is required for the normal and the good healing ability of your skin. And then again, when you get up in the morning, just wash your face with the normal water. So this is how you can incorporate 24K Gold Night Mask in your daily skin regime. So this anti-aging night sleep pack helps to strengthen your skin barrier, smoothen your skin texture, and get the even tone, radiating skin. So just energize your skin with the power of gold using Atomy 24K Gold Night Mask. So here is the end of my presentation. Hope you understood all the benefits of 24K Gold Night Mask, and you will use it for your own benefit and also recommend it to the people around you. Thank you.